Hello, friend. In this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a smooth brush in Adobe Photoshop 2025. First open the Photoshop and create a new document. Now, draw the line on the artboard. Here we see hard edge around the border. If you want to smooth brush, go to the window menu and click on the brush seating. When you increase the spacing, and you can see hard edge. Also, if you decrease the spacing, you can make smooth brush. Now I draw a line. Here we see smooth around the object. That's it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our Graphics Solution Tricks channel and click the bell icon for more updates.